Hey everyone, it's AppTap. Let's connect your Facebook post to Instagram so they can be shared automatically. First, open the Facebook application. Once you are on the home screen, tap the three lines menu. Now tap on Settings and Privacy and expand that section. After that, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on See More in Account Center. From there, choose Sharing across profiles. Next, tap on Sharing from Facebook. Here, turn on the option to share your Facebook post to Instagram. Sometimes this option is already turned on by default, but if it's off, just enable it here. Once it's turned on, you can go back to the home screen. Now here, tap on what's on your mind to create a new post. Start typing your post just like you normally do. If sharing is not already linked, you will see an Instagram icon on the post screen. Tap that icon and turn on the option to share this post to Instagram as well. And that's it. Now your Facebook post can be shared directly to Instagram. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials. I will see you in the next one.